This made me rethink split keyboard.
Here's a first look at the Nocfree End, a low-profile, true wireless split keyboard. It has a clean aluminum chassis with magnets that help snap the sides into place. Also has custom-developed Nocfree rhyme switches that have satisfying feedback. It's currently in pre-production, so I would love to do a deep dive once the final version is released. But in the meantime, here's a quick ASMR of the keyboard.